Righty, so I've had a lot of patients ask me, what's a great go-to stretch when it comes to stretching the low back when you have maybe some pain, some achiness, some tension. My go-to always is the kind of yoga poses of cat-cow, where we'll have some gentle flexion and extension just to stretch and lightly mobilize the low back. And I'm going to demonstrate that now. We'll get into a tabletop position like so. And as we arch like a cat, we're going to breathe in as we arch. So and then as we breathe out, we will drop our stomach or our belly down like a cow and look up as we breathe out. Breath into an arch. Breathe out, down. Along with the arch, we tuck our head down. And as we breathe out and lift our head and drop our stomach for the cow. And as we go through these movements, we're relaxed, we're not straining, we're focused on our breathing. We sit in both of these positions for about 5 to 10 seconds, whatever is kind of comfortable. One variation I like to do with the cow is letting my shoulder blades kind of pinch together like so. To mobilize the scapula as well. And again, just a great way to gently mobilize, stretch the lower back. I want to do about 5 to 6 passes for each cow and cat. Super easy, simple way. You can kind of find any flat surface to do that on. Helpful way to stretch the low back.